All right, I want to give you a sneak peek. This is an apartment. The tenants just moved out. It's going to look a little rough today, but we're turning this around really fast. This is a 1-bedroom with an open living room kitchen. We just walked into a small vestibule area here that has a small coat closet, but it's deep, floor to ceiling. Now, like I say, this apartment is going to look a little rough today. Let's step inside. We do our industrial cleaning, painting, turnaround. As you can see, Super has all his materials in here. Open living room kitchen, nice windows overlooking the courtyard. Could easily fit a sectional, a large sofa, coffee table, entertainment center here. Nice attractive vanity. And yes, for those who will ask, it will come with a toilet seat. Like I say, tenants just moved. We have a lot of cleaning and painting to do, but look at that price. We are in the nicest section of the Bronx and Kingsbridge, right on the corner of West 238th Street and Bailey. Let's step into this queen-size bedroom here. Can easily fit a queen, 2 nightstands, and a dresser as well. Big oversized windows. A lot of closets in this apartment. 3 closets total. All very deep as well. And this will be the 3rd closet here. This is more wide than deep, but again, floor to ceiling. Best of the Bronx, we have it. Look at that price. 1 bedroom, open kitchen, living room. Live-in super. This is 1st floor of a very well managed and maintained walk-up. Come on down, take a look. This could be your next home. Thanks for watching.